Hey, hello, this is Richard. Today I would like to do a simple demo of how to use your voice to input in your MacBook rather than use the traditional keyboard input. In order to use the voice input, it's quite simple. Just click the Apple icon in your MacBook. I'm using the Japanese Mac OS 10, and you have this system preferences here in this menu. Click that. You should be able to find this voice input uh, icon here in the menu. Just that and choose your language and choose your shortcut. In my system, I'm using the English as the input language, and also I'm using the function key. Type twice the function key as your shortcut. So after you properly configure that, in any of the environments, say you're using the Word, try to do some input. You can just double click the function key and the voice record or the voice input will start. Let's have a look. Hello, this is Richard. Today I would like to do a simple demo of how to use your voice to input in your MacBook rather than using the traditional keyboard input. As you can see, this is quite easy and much quicker than the traditional keyboard input method. As long as you can pronounce the word properly, which I failed many times in this demo.